Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Giselle or Gisele, whichever one you'd prefer to say. We're getting back into some tutorials because I haven't done a tutorial in a very long time and I want to start getting back into it. So today we are going to be taking a look at how I created this look on my eyes and the lips. Super simple, super easy in my opinion, but if you have any questions, of course, leave them in the comment section below. So let's get to the tutorial. Alright, so today we're getting back into makeup. It's been a minute, I know, and I want to keep doing these a little bit more. So I am using the Per Cosmetics Quick Liquid Glitter. That's where the inspiration came from for this look. So I hope you guys enjoy it. And before we even get into this tutorial, go ahead and make sure that you subscribe and thumbs up so that I know that you're enjoying my videos, and share so you can, keep on passing on the goodness of this channel to your peers, because I know you love me, so why wouldn't you share the video? Alright, now we can get to the tutorial. I'm using Eden. Eden is our transition color, so it's going to make it seamless for all of the other colors to blend together. And it has an orangey hue, which is great for people with a deeper skin tone like myself. Now I'm going to use my electric palette from Urban Decay. I haven't used this in forever. And I'm going to go in with this green right here, and it's called Fringe. I'm going to use my 217 from MAC and keep it on the outer parts, or outer V's I should say. And I'm going to do like that sandwich look or whatever you want to call it, where I'm applying it to the center, to the inner corner and the outer corner, and I'm going to leave the center blank because I'm going to use something else on there. And there's no right or wrong for this. You're going to add as much as you want in terms of the intensity that you want to have the color. I want the green to be a little bit more intense, so I'm going to keep building it until I'm happy with it. So I want to intensify this a little bit more. I'm going to go back into my Prism palette, and I'm going to use Throne, which is a deeper green, with the same brush. Now I'm just going to go back in with that fluffy brush that I used initially. It doesn't have a name. I don't know where I got this from. And I'm just going to lightly blend the harsh lines. Now I'm going to use one of Per's Quick Pro Glitters, and this is in the shade OMG. And I'm going to place this right in the center. And this is more of like an olivey glitter. Ooh, this is so pretty. I'm just blending it with my finger. There are just some things that works better with your finger than using a brush, and this seems to be one of them. I'm still keeping it in the center. I'm just evening out the product a little bit more. Super pretty. Because this applicator, I think I should do a review on these. The applicator, if it's going to show, as you can see, it's like a plastic spatula almost. So it does nothing to blend the product on the lid. You know what? I don't think I've ever used this color, and it's Thrash. I think I'm gonna do that on my under my lash line. I'm gonna go back in and blend with my 217. Has a little bit of that teal on there, but whatever. And then I'm gonna go back with Throne from the Anastasia palette because I want to make it a little bit darker because it's a little neon-y. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use my mascara, and this is from Maybelline, the Big Colossal Big Shot, the Makeup Shayla edition. This mascara is bomb. Now I'm gonna use the purple Vegas Nail lashes, and these are in Shining Star, and I got it for $4.88 at Target because it was on clearance. Winning. I'm gonna leave a card right here with my tutorial on how to apply false lashes. Alright, so this is what we have so far. The only thing that I did while I was downloading a couple of the clips is that I went back in with my electric palette and I grabbed fringe with an angled brush so that I could really get the creaminess of the eyeshadow, and I went in on the inner corner right here where you see that teal, and then I went into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism and Throne with the same brush, and I did the rest of my eyelash line. And that just helped to bring it together a little bit more. And of course I went in and I added the lashes, and that was that. Now I'm going to highlight my brow bone a little bit more in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm going to use Lucid from this palette right here, and this is the Prism. I feel like I've said it like 1,000 times, but anyways. I'm going to use this tiny brush from e.l.f. for my inner corner. Now I'm using a 266 brush from MAC, and this is a smaller version because it was a limited edition for the holidays. But it's just a fluffy brush, and I'm going to use it to highlight under my brows. I might have put a little bit too much. I'm going to go in with my fluffy brush with the transition color, just to blend out this highlight and everything else in between a little bit more. Now I'm going to use some of my Ofra highlighter and some blush into my lips. I'm just going to use this fan brush from MAC. I don't know what the number is, 1 something. You only have one fan brush, so. And I'm mixing the peachy here with the bronze color. Come through, highlight. Of course, I gotta do the nose. For my blush, this is going to be a random blush from MAC, and it's this one right here. It doesn't have a name because I depotted it from a special collection. I don't know what it was, and I never took the name out of the packaging. But I just like it because it's like a soft pink, almost peachy. And it gives me enough color without it being too much. Because y'all know I'm not a huge blush person. For my lips, I'm going to go in with Night Moth and a cream sheen from MAC. And the cream sheen is in Color Saturation. It was a holiday product as well, but it looks like Rebel to me, like a deeper version of Rebel. I'm sure they have something that's the equivalent to it by now. I haven't used Night Moth in forever. Well, thank you guys for sticking to the end and watching this tutorial. As always, I hope that you had the chance to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thumbs up, and let's be friends online. I have all of my social media handles in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. But before you go anywhere, here's another video for you to keep you entertained. You know what I'm saying? You don't even have to go anywhere else. I got you right here. Click right here.